Hello and welcome to my flip-through video of the Daily Tangler Color Calendar, Volume 1. This year I filled my calendar with patterns from our Daily Tangler group. Here's how my year looked. How would you fill your calendar? I'd love to see your ideas and artwork. Join our group and become part of our community. Get inspired and inspire others. You can find the calendar on Amazon in English, German and Italian. All further details are in the video description below. Enjoy watching and get creative. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoy my videos, like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video.